Marine radar can look complicated at first glance. Blips, lines, rotating sweeps. It can feel overwhelming. But in reality, marine radar is one of the most important and simple navigation tools on the bridge. In this video, I will explain how marine radar works in clear and practical terms. Marine radar works by transmitting radio waves from a rotating antenna. These radio waves travel outward in all directions. When the waves hit an object such as another vessel, land, or a buoy, they reflect back to the ship. The radar system measures the time it takes for the echo to return. That time delay allows the system to calculate the distance of the target. The result is displayed on the radar screen as a visible contact. The radar antenna rotates continuously. With each rotation, it sends out short bursts of radio energy called pulses. These pulses travel at the speed of light. They strike an object, part of the energy reflects back toward the ship. The radar receiver detects the returning signal. The system then calculates the bearing based on antenna direction and distance based on time delay. This is how radar determines both the position and range of targets. Understanding radar controls is essential for proper use. Range adjusts the distance scale displayed on the screen. Gain controls the sensitivity of the receiver. Too much gain creates excessive noise. Too little gain may hide weak targets. Clutter reduces reflections from waves. Clutter reduces interference caused by precipitation. Proper adjustment ensures a clear and accurate radar picture. Many beginners make simple mistakes when using radar. Increasing gain too much creates a noisy and confusing display. Ignoring clutter settings can hide important targets. And most importantly, radar should never replace proper lookout procedures. Radar is a tool, not a substitute for situational awareness. Used correctly, it becomes one of the most powerful safety systems on board. In the next video, we will break down radar range and gain settings in more detail. If you found this helpful, subscribe to HelmBound, navigation equipment made simple.